Hi all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ajay again with another interesting topic. Let's start. Ha. Today we're going to talk about how to become software programmer. Normally for everybody there is a question how people is creating 2D game, 3D game or some kind of software application where without going to the bank we can do every operations from the systems connected to the internet. How people are doing. So, who is software programmer? Person who creates software application. It could be Windows application, web application, or a game, or anything like that is called software programmer. What is required to create an application? Basically, a functionality of the application, like whether it's a game application or it's a web application where a patient like hospital management system where patient comes in and he enrolls into the application and from there the tracking starts like what medicine he took, what diagnosis has been happened, all those things. And also if a doctor comes into the system, um, all his details is captured and what is timings he is coming, what is timings he goes, and all managing his appointments, etc. Like that. What is the functionality all about? That matters. And the environment. Like if it is a standalone, simple standalone application, then we can host it in. We can keep it in our desktop and run it like a calculator. Like it no need to, and also like no need extra infrastructure and all. And if it is a big mass application like railway ticket booking system or some hospital management system, where we'll host it in a server and we'll accessing in the client machines via internet like that. So what environment is required to the application? And the technology, what technology is required, like whether we can write it in .NET technology, Java technology, or kind of client server architecture, what kind of technology we use. Let's concentrate about technology to implement. So any application if we take, it's a set of programmers written in some programming language. Like to communicate between ourselves, we use English as a communication language. Similarly, we use programming languages to communicate between computers and us. What are different programming languages we have? We have C, C++, Java, PHP, COBOL, Pascal, Perl, shell scripting, HTML, JavaScript, WordPress, .NET, etc. If we take .NET itself, we have so many sub languages like VB.NET, C Sharp.NET, VC++.NET, F Sharp.NET, etc. If we take Java, we have so many sub topics like Core Java, JSP, EJB, struts, etc. What? Need to learn all languages to become a software programmer? No. Any set of any set will do. Like if we are doing a system programming, then C, C++, or shell scripting, anyone will do. If we are writing a small Windows application like a calculator, then VB.NET or C Sharp.NET or Core Java or anything like any simple that application is, for that application is one language is enough. Or if we are writing a web application, in that scenario, basic HTML is required, and then ASP.NET, JSP, PHP, or any one language is required. Or if we are keeping data in, we are storing data and manipulating data. In that case, a front end one VB.NET, C Sharp.NET, or Java will use, and for keeping data, we'll have SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, or any one combination will do actually. Like if we are hosting our application in cloud, then we have to learn Azure, AWS, Google Code, or any one will do actually. And it all depends on the market actually, which got more scope, and also like for our application which is best suited. So those combination we have to study, and we have to decide on which language we have to study. We have to go ahead, and we can start. Bill Gates becomes world's richest person by doing software application. If we do the same, then we might become richest among our village. If you have same idea of mine when I started, then after being in software field for 12 years, I'm not even close to the richest person in my village. I'm not saying you can't do, but it's my experience. But the thing, but moreover, more than that, I got very good enjoyment in being a software programmer. Like, so it gave me certain days where I am not interested on food or sleeping or anything. Just keep on coding. I think, in my opinion, that's what's required. End of the day, so you pay off your bills and keep you engaged happily. We'll talk about more about this in later episodes. Thank you. Bye.